KCAL9's Randy Page is live tonight with more on the continued efforts to battle the virus. Randy?
Well, we've had an awful lot of numbers thrown at us tonight. Here's one that will send a chill up your spine. The Pentagon is providing 100,000 body bags to FEMA for this response effort. Here at the epicenter of the nation's misery, these refrigerated trailers are being used to house the casualties of this deadly virus as the death toll climbs toward 2,000. At Elmhurst Hospital, which now cares only for coronavirus patients, ambulances arrive every 10 minutes, but they're running out of empty beds. This is one of the hardest hit neighborhoods, and the hospital here serves some of the poorest patients. Dr. Eric Way oversees the city public hospital system.
We are asking our fellow colleagues in business and manufacturing to please make more ventilators, please make more PPE that we so desperately need to be able to save as many lives as possible.
It's so dire, EMTs have been told to stop transporting some patients in cardiac arrest that can't be revived in the field. Today, New York Governor Andrew Cuomo said the state's available ventilator supply could run out within 6 days.
We need what we need. If a person comes in and needs a ventilator and you don't have a ventilator, the person dies. That's the blunt equation here.
Nurses strong, we are strong.
Today, nurses across the country risk their own jobs to demand more protective gear.
I'm worried about dying a lot more than I'm worried about repercussions.
More supplies are coming. The U.S. purchased 60 tons of medical supplies from Russia, and Massachusetts is using the New England Patriots plane to bring in 1 million masks from China. A national look at the percentage of positive tests shows New York and New Jersey are at the top of the list.
We do have 2 states that do have 35% positives, and that's New York and New Jersey. So that confirms very clearly that that's a very clear and important hot zone. California and Washington remain steady at an 8% rate.
Dr. Deborah Birx, the White House Coronavirus Task Force coordinator, said it's clear social distancing, as seen in the California numbers, could be the nation's best hope for lowering the body count. And she offered this caution about the recommendation offered by Mayor Eric Garcetti, Riverside County, and others that people should wear masks when going out in public.
We don't want people to get an artificial sense of protection because they're behind a mask. Because if they're touching things, remember, your eyes are not in the mask. So if you're touching things and then touching your eyes, you're exposing yourself in the same way. So we don't want people to feel like, oh, I'm wearing a mask, I'm protected and I'm protecting others. You may be protecting others, but don't get a false sense of security that that mask is protecting you exclusively from getting infected, because there are other ways that you can get infected.
It is clear the 2 big bright spots in the nation are California and Washington. Social distancing does appear to be working, at least so far. Back to you.
That is such good news.
It really is.
Yep. Randy, thank you.